Zander The Science Kid. I'm going to be doing another electric robot kit. And check out my first video of how I put the Scribble bot together. And I named him Scribbles. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more awesome Zander The Science Kid videos.
Zander the Science Kid.
Hi, I'm going to be doing another 6-in-1 electric robot kit. And this is my second time. I'm going to be picking another electric robot. So, I'm going to be doing it right now. Whoa. I'm going to be doing this one. Whoa. So, I have, in the pack, I have pipe cleaners, a battery pack with wires, screws,
8,
googly eyes, pointy metal, and don't forget, ask the doll for help. Like I said, if you get this kit and there's sharp stuff, always ask the doll for help. There's 2 pieces of foam, balls, plastic, a motor, an electric motor, and there is zip tie,
1,
plastic zip tie, 4 plastic gears, 4 rubber bands. And don't do this because they might rip. 3. No. Oops, 1 rolled away. That makes 4 rubber bands. Okay. Remember, always read your instructions.
Reading is
Follow
cool.
them carefully. I'm gonna be doing this one.
Whoa!
First, I need 1 battery pack and a motor. Don't forget to organize all your parts. So I'm gonna be connecting these to the motor. So you remove the plastic on both of the wires. I'm gonna twist the inside. Be careful with wires. And never touch wires, because if they're on, you might hurt yourself. So ask the adult for if you can touch those. Then you have to stick the wire through the motor. 1 on each side. It's also very tricky. And never give up. Then you twist it. Just like this. Step 2, you have to put the bracket on top of the other bracket. You need to grab 4 screws. And then get a screwdriver. And remember in the other video, I said don't forget, ask an adult for help because screwdrivers are pointy. Ouch. So first, you put the motor in there, and then you screw it on with the right screws. If you make sure you get the right screws. If you get the wrong ones, if you get the small ones, it might not work. camera straight at all times. And if you find this tricky, ask an adult for help. And don't let, if you have a baby brother or a baby sister, don't let them get to this. Because they might eat the screws. They might put them in the mouth. Why did we try to do this? Do you lose? See. Okay. Step 3. Fix the brackets on board with short screws. You have to put them on the end, facing each other like this. Now time to put on the other bracket. So first, you put in the brackets. I screwed them in. That was step 3. And then step 4, you need to get a zip tie. And then zip tie the wires. And then you need a screw in the battery pack. Step 5, install the rear wheels of the reptile robot. You put this long rod in the top like this. Next, you get these rubber bands, and then you put them on top. You might find this a little tricky. First, you put on these, the orange round circles. Now, so these are kind of hard to put on. Then you want to put the wheels on the rod. Step 6, insert the police on the Z rods. And this helps because you can put that down and put pressure on here because you have to do it with big muscles. Step 7, insert the front wheels of the reptile robot. Step 8, get your blue fuzzy wire and cut it as long as you want or as short as you want and thread it into the hole right here. I would recommend putting it in first and then cutting it. And don't forget, scissors are sharp. Also, ask an adult for help. You can also bend them like this. Step 9. Insert the googly eyes. Bikini film. So you get the foam, and also there's actually a wire inside, but there's fur covered around it. And it will help if you have a screwdriver to poke it in and then poke that in like that. Now it's time for the googly eyes. And there's actually You don't actually need glue because there's a peel that you can peel off. It's so cool. And the last thing you need is two AA batteries. And also it'll help if you poke a little bit deeper. Because it might fall off. So these AA batteries, they have a negative and positive side. So make sure to put them correctly in. And ask your adult for help with this part. After you insert the two AA batteries in, this rod will make it go. And it's also kind of acts like a creepy crawler. And also, if you need it to stop, it pulls back. And watch how it goes. You can also fix the eyes. You know what? This is how I would do the eyes. Like, I'll put it through the wire like that. And then I would put that eyeball again on, and then I would make it like stay up again. Go. It's like crawling toward me. And also you can also give it a smile or a creepy face. It's a creepy crawler. I got a blue Sharpie and it's my favorite color. And also you can draw a smile right here.
Cool.
And also since it's like a creepy crawler, I'm gonna give a face. There you have it. The creepy crawler. And now, have fun playing with your new robot. Now that I made him, what should I name him? Mr. Fang. Is he a thing? And Mr. Fang meets Scribbles.
Hi. Hi.
I can do this. I forgot. Hey, Mr. Fang, look what I can do. Hey, Mr. Skrulls, look what I can do. That was so much fun playing together. Do you want to be friends? Sure. And now, if you watch my video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more Zander The Science Kid videos. Bye!
Hi. Welcome to Zander the Science Kid. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch more awesome kid-friendly science experiments. Zander the Science Kid.